Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things baby products. Today, we've got an absolute gem for you. The Pop-A-Blick 2-in-1 Anio Baby Bassinet and Bedside Sleeper. If you're a new parent or expecting, this is a must-see. Stick around as we dive deep into why this is the best rolling bassinet available in the market. Let's kick things off with a quick overview. The Pop-A-Blick 2-in-1 Anio Baby Bassinet and Bedside Sleeper is designed with both safety and convenience in mind. It's perfect for those early months when your little one needs to be close by at all times. Now, let's get into the details. First off, let's talk stability and safety. This bassinet boasts a sturdy iron and aluminum frame, ensuring your baby's safety is always a top priority. One of the standout features is its adjustable height. With 5 easy glide height positions and safety auto locks, it accommodates most adult beds, giving you the flexibility you need. Breathability is key, and this bassinet has it covered. The soft mesh panels provide excellent airflow and visibility, allowing you to keep an eye on your little one while they snooze. And the convenience doesn't stop there. This bassinet is highly portable, thanks to its 4 smooth rolling wheels equipped with safety brake locks. Moving your baby from room to room has never been easier. Now, let's talk about what's included in the package. You'll receive a mattress pad, a 100% cotton-fitted sheet, and a handy travel carry bag. Plus, it's worth mentioning that both Bonnie and Anio models meet ASTM and CPSC standards, ensuring top-notch quality and safety. Some of you might be wondering about additional sheets or a mattress cover. While they may not be included in the package, you can easily find compatible options online to personalize your baby's sleep experience. As for how long your baby can sleep in this bassinet, it's suitable for newborns up to 5 months, making it a fantastic choice for those early months of parenthood. So, there you have it, folks. The Pop-A-Blick 2-in-1 Anio Baby Bassinet and Bedside Sleeper, the best rolling bassinet in the market. With its safety features, adjustable height, breathability, and portability, it's a game-changer for new parents. If you're interested in getting one for your little bundle of joy, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video with more fantastic product reviews and recommendations. Until then, happy parenting!